Zoonotic diseases are pathogens that can spread from animals to humans. There are many ways that these pathogens can spread. Let's take a deeper look into each of these mechanisms. Direct contact describes when a human has contact with an infected animal via bite or scratch. An example of a zoonotic disease that can spread via direct contact is rabies. Shown here is a pathogenesis of the rabies virus. Once a rabid animal bites a human, the virus replicates throughout the body and infects the nervous system. Rabies infections are fatal to both humans and animals. Another example of a zoonotic disease spread via direct contact is avian influenza. Poultry producers and veterinarians are at higher risk of contracting avian influenza due to the heightened exposure to infected birds and their feces. Indirect contact describes disease spread via fomites or inanimate objects. These can include items such as farm equipment, bedding, feed, water bins, and vehicles. Additionally, fecal-oral transmission is a form of indirect contact. This means that pathogens spread from an animal to a human via contaminated food, water, or fomite. An example of a zoonotic disease that can spread via indirect contact is cryptosporidium. Cryptosporidium can spread via environmental contamination with oocysts shed in the animal's feces. Airborne spread occurs when an animal sneezes or coughs, allowing pathogenic particles to be suspended in the air and cause infection. Bovine tuberculosis is a zoonotic disease that can be spread via airborne particles. Additionally, bovine tuberculosis can also be considered a reverse zoonotic disease. Reverse zoonosis refers to a human transferring a disease to an animal. Mycobacterium bovis bacteria get into the lungs and lymph nodes of cattle, which causes the animal to experience signs such as lethargy, anorexia, fever, coughing, and difficulty breathing. There are national eradication efforts for this disease.
Due to these efforts, NIH reports that disease prevalence has decreased from 5% to less than 0.001%.
Vector-borne diseases occur when an insect picks up a pathogen from an animal and carries it to a human. This occurs via bite or blood meal. Examples of vectors that commonly spread diseases are ticks, mosquitoes, and fleas. Examples of vector-borne diseases are Lyme, West Nile virus, and the plague. Vector-borne diseases can be avoided with vaccines or veterinary prescribed preventatives for small animals or insecticide sprays and pour-ons for livestock species. Limiting freestanding water, rotating pastures, and managing manure accumulation may also help prevent vector-borne diseases.